all IAS aspirants and welcome to the test discussion for the current affair. In the current affair, the first question is, the green highway policy will not help in, and the options are number A, increasing the forest cover of India, B, reducing erosion, C, cutting down pollution, D, reducing the land acquisition required for road construction. Here the answer would be D, because you know that what exactly is the green highway policy. As per the green highway policy, we have to plant the forest on the both side of the road so that it will provide the dual benefit. One side we will go through a kind of afforestation, and the other is it will also provide the shadow to our road, and also different kind of percolation and the groundwater recharging process will take place. So in this way, now new drive the Government of India has started, and that is the green highway policy. Here it will do forestation, it will reduce erosion, it will reduce the pollution level also. Only the D is not correct, and hence the D is the right answer. Question number 2 in the current affair. Organization of Petroleum Export Countries, that is OPEC, is. So we have to talk what exactly is the OPEC. Here the basic motto for the formation of OPEC is to safeguard the countries which are engaged in the production and export of the petroleum, so that they can get the right price in the world global market. So regarding that, there are options, but basically you know OPEC, it is a world organization of some countries, so it is not a private company. And now we will go to see option and easily we will get the answer. Option A, that is Joint Arab Private Firm that manages oil exports from Middle East. So it is not a firm, it is the organization. So answer option A is not correct. Option B, an oil cartel that jointly changes prices and supply of oil. Yes, this is correct, because it is a group of the different countries, they form the OPEC. OPEC is a kind of the oil cartel, and it will control the price and the supply of the oil, and hence option B is correct. Even I will see other options for your clarification. Option C is a conglomeration of the Arab American companies with the exclusive right to extract and export petroleum from the Arab nation. So it is not Arab American. Generally these companies are located, these countries are located in the Middle East and the Africa, and it's not good to say the Arab and American, and hence we will not go with option C. Option D, a political entity set up by all Arab oil companies to supervise extraction and the production of the oil and natural gas from the Middle East. It is not only the Middle East, even some of the African countries are also included in the OPEC, and hence we will not go with option D. Hence option B is only correct. Next, if you come on question number 3, that is Indradhanush strategy recently launched by the government related to. Many a student directly can reply that Mission Indradhanush is related to vaccination. Like we are lacking in the complete vaccination of the each and every nooks and corners of the India, remote location of the India, and in that situation in 2014 we started, the current government of the Narendra Modi started Indradhanush mission, and hence people will take that. However, that is not correct. This is a new policy which came again in 2015. So Indradhanush policy is related to 2015 and Indradhanush mission is related to 2014. Indradhanush mission is related to the health and Indradhanush policy is related to the banking sector. You know about the NPA. NPA means non-performing assets. Like if a bank is having 100 rupee, out of the 100 rupee, 20 rupee has gone in such kind of debt which is not easily recoverable. They are not able to recover those loans and debts, and those loans and debts are called NPA. And this is related to NPA. The government will fund, other organization, financial organization will fund the 7 public sector banks so that they will come out of this kind of disadvantage and negative impact on the banking, and that is called the policy Indradhanush. Let us see the option and you will get the idea. Option A, improving the vaccination rates in the rural India. This is incorrect. Making solar power more accessible to canal irrigation area. This is incorrect. Revamping public sector bank in India. Yes, this is only the correct option. We have revamped, we have energized, we have to empower. How to empower? By putting the extra fund that we are doing through the Indradhanush strategy. So answer C is correct.